This is Alex's story. His business was doing great, but managing all the customer messages, emails, and comments was a complete nightmare. He felt overwhelmed, and his customers were getting annoyed. One day, Alex decided to find a better way. He found a powerful WordPress customer service plugin, and with it, everything changed. A new rhythm came to his business, bringing 7 amazing benefits. First, happy customers. He can now provide quick support. As a result, customers are happier and more loyal to him. Customer retention. With quick problem solving, no one is leaving his business anymore. Brand reputation. His service quality has improved so much that his brand's reputation is now on everyone's lips. Increased profit. Happy customers are making more purchases, and his sales have grown. Employee satisfaction. Thanks to the organized system, his entire team is now working with a smile. Reduced costs. Customers are now advertising his business themselves, so marketing costs have gone down. Better decisions. From customer feedback, he is now making his business even better. Alex's story proves that by using the right tools, customer service challenges can be turned into opportunities. To make your business as successful as Alex's, SupportGenix can be your best partner.